Hello guys, welcome to the C++ tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn about the standard input in C++. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's begin. So we know that in order to output into the console, we use the cout object from the standard library using the stream insertion operator. So I'll just output hello and then terminate it, and when we run, our code outputs hello successfully in the console. So what about reading data from our console or from our keyboard? So that's when the cin object comes in. So I'll just go ahead and then say cout, please enter a number, and then terminate the line. Now I'll just initialize a variable, let's say x, or no, let me just say number. Initialize the variable, and then in order to read data from our console to this variable, we use the cin object. So it's also part of the standard library namespace. So I'll just say cin, and then we use the stream extraction operator, which is this symbol to greater than symbol, and then we pass in the variable in which we want to read the data into, and I'll save. So let me go over this code. So over here, I just outputted please enter a number, and then I initialized a variable called number, and then I'm using the stream extraction operator to read from the keyboard using the cin object to read that value to this variable and store it to this variable. So I can go ahead and then output this and say the number you entered is, and then output the value that will be stored in the number. So let me go ahead and run my code, and I run my code. So in the console, let me just bring this up a little bit. In the console, you see enter a number, or go ahead and enter a number, let's say 20, and press enter, and then our code goes through successfully and says the number you entered is 20. And then when I run this code again, and let me enter this time around 100, we get the number you entered is 100. So this is how we can use the stream extraction operator to read data or values from our console into a variable. So we can do that for multiple variables. Let me just say int y and initialize it. So I can go ahead, I can still write it on the same line and read the value for y, or better still do it on a different line using the cin object, and then read the value and then store it in y. So that is it about the standard input in C++, which is used to read data from the console or from our keyboard into our code. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.